Well, we shift our focus to the news we broke just a few seconds ago, how Arvind Kejriwal will be submitting his resignation to the Lieutenant Governor tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. So this news stands confirmed once again. Tomorrow 4:30 p.m. is when Arvind Kejriwal will be submitting his resignation. Going across to Pallavi once again. Pallavi, on a side note, this also means that by now, more or less, the Aam Aadmi Party may have also decided on the man or the woman who will be taking up the top job.
Absolutely, Christina. No one is telling us that, and one can understand why they don't want to tell us, because that is also going to be one hurdle they'll have to cross. Someone who's considered to be acceptable to all. An explanation will also have to be given by Arvind Kejriwal why that person, he or she, has been chosen to take on the charge of the Delhi government. But more than that, the confirmation which we are getting from the LG's office is that at 4:30 p.m. tomorrow, the Delhi Chief Minister, the present Delhi Chief Minister, which is Arvind Kejriwal, is going to officially hand over his resignation paper to the Lieutenant Governor. So it's official now. 4:30 is when the resignation will go in. Possibility of the announcement of the next chief minister could happen at the legislative party meeting of the Aam Aadmi Party just before that. But since morning, Christine, we have been seeing how there have been hectic parleys, how every top leader of whether it's been Manish Sisodia, whether it's been Saurabh Bharadwaj, Atish Malla, or it's been Raghav Chadha, they have been meeting up with Arvind Kejriwal. So that big announcement we do expect sometime coming tomorrow, possibly before 4:30 p.m. itself, and or possibly just after Arvind Kejriwal formally hands over his resignation as the CM, and therefore his 10-year tenure, almost 10-year tenure as Delhi's chief minister will officially come to an end, though he's seeking re-election through the People's Court, to use his words, whenever the next election, which is in February, going to take place in Delhi next year.
Oh yes, so lots that can be expected once Arvind Kejriwal submits his resignation with the Lieutenant Governor. 4:30 p.m. tomorrow is the time that we've managed to learn. And Arvind Kejriwal, following this, remember, is also perhaps going to be making the big announcement, Pallavi, on who takes over as the Delhi Chief Minister. That person, whether it's Atishi or Saurabh Bharadwaj, or perhaps, the Aam Aadmi Party plans to throw in a surprise, is also going to decide which way things will go here on, isn't it, Pallavi? Because we have been talking about the n number of possibilities that await the Aam Aadmi Party given this decision that stands in front of the party.
I mean, there is we were talking about this a short while back, Christine. In personality-driven parties, this is always an issue. This is always a problem, that you have to ensure that the main phase around which the party is formed, that phase doesn't face a challenger or a contender. We saw what happened, for example, in the case of Jharkhand. To a certain extent, I would say in Tamil Nadu, when OPS took charge as the chief minister, not once, but twice, when Jayalalitha was behind bars in those corruption cases. There's an alternative power center which could possibly come up. I think Arvind Kejriwal wants to ensure that doesn't happen. I know there's just 4 to 5 months left for the elections to take place in the national capital, but that's a long time. Even 24 hours is a very long time as far as politics go. So he doesn't want to take that risk at all. And that perhaps explains why there's going to be a very carefully measured decision on who's going to be his successor. Will it be someone from his family, which of course means it's his wife, Sunita Kejriwal? But will that not embolden the critics like the BJP, who will say that it's all within the family? Will it be, say, an Atish Malla? But then how will that synchronize with, say, a Saurabh Bharadwaj or a Raghav Chadha or a Sanjay Singh being placated? And third, of course, this could be a low-profile MLA, someone who perhaps we haven't even heard of. Will that person be chosen as the next chief minister of Delhi? So these are going to be important considerations. There is no denying the fact that Arvind Kejriwal is going to be the face. He's going to be the CM face of AAP when they head to the next election. But whoever's chosen tomorrow as the chief minister will be the face of a sitting Delhi government. So therefore, that person will by default be an important factor as far as those elections are taking place. So therefore, the choice will have to be very careful and very measured.
Absolutely, and every opportunity is being used with equal measure by the Aam Aadmi Party's political opponents in the national capital. Pallavi, it's a very interesting scenario that we witnessed today. Let's see how the next 24 hours look like for the AAP and the political rivals in the national capital, eyeing the situation very closely. Thank you for joining us with the latest. We need to